smart sound.
Hello guys, and welcome to another random tech show video. Today I'm going to go over the new RTX 3070, your next RTX 3070 PC build. So I'm searching a video RTX 3070, click on the link, and yeah, so we're going to be making a build with the new GeForce 3070. Anyway, let's just get into it. So I'm doing it on Amazon, by the way. So yeah, so I'm getting a Corsair 650 watt power supply. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna get from Amazon. Yeah. So yeah, it has like some good ratings and stuff, and it should be enough. Yeah, it should be enough to power everything. And then next I got this Corsair Vengeance RAM, the Corsair CMK16 GX 4M2B3200C6. You don't need to know the number, you can see if you need to know. So yeah. Also, by the way, I'm filming the voice that you're hearing now after the video and watching it and saying what I was saying. So let me know if I should do these types of videos like this. Anyway, this is the AMD Ryzen 7 2700X. Once again, like almost 5 stars, £180, which is like the same, I'm pretty sure, or similar to the what's it called? I can't think. The Ryzen 5 3600, that's it. And also this is the Asus TUF Gaming X570 Plus ATX motherboard with the AM socket AM4. Yeah, AMD AM4 socket. TUF Gaming Edition with the PCIe 4th gen, which the 3070, it has 4th gen support sort of thing. Yeah. So yeah. Right, and if you're wondering why I'm sending all these like links to another PC, is because I have a 2 PC setup and I need the links like for everything to put in the description. Anyway, this is a 1 terabyte SanDisk SSD. So yeah. It's like £84. It's pretty good. 1 terabyte, so I can store all of my games on it and other stuff. And I'm gonna get the NZXT H510 ATX mid power PC gaming case. Oh well, just this one. It's pretty good reviews. It looks really nice, I think. And if you have a little bit more budget, you can get this H510 Elite. I had a little bit of a problem. I couldn't figure out how to show the white one, but I figured it out in the end. As you can see, I'm trying to where's the white one? I swear there was a white one. But yeah, it's this one. And it has some really nice front fans. So yeah. If my voice is a bit weird, it's because I have a little bit of a cold. But yeah, the fans look really nice, and it includes them apparently. And I just have some normal Antec 120mm case fans. 5 of them for £20. just to make sure I have enough fans for my PC to make sure it keeps nice and cool, as that 3070 will be running hot, I would assume. And if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like the video. Also, I didn't go in the video, but I am adding in